Hey, what's up guys? This is D out here and I'm gonna show you a quick walkthrough over Android 11 which was released today, and it's a full version, it's not a beta. And as we see, as I download, it's around like 1.48 GB, and when I downloaded it and installed it, I certainly saw a couple of lags, very minor lags, but as I went on using the phone for the day, I really saw a couple of lags in, especially in camera apps. As you see, when I try to come to the video mode, it's kind of taking a minute, and when I switch back, it also takes another minute. In the sense, seconds is what I meant, and something like this, as most of the time when I right now, just when I went from camera to the home, you should have been able to see a minor lag again, something like that most of the time. And as far as the battery, I feel it's pretty much the same from Android 10 to Android 11, but the notification bar has got half of the size, not most half of the size, but something smaller. And also I heard that there is an option called a screen recorder inbuilt, but I don't see it. Could be in another update or something like that. But when I pull down the notification bar and send it back, you see a 3D effect on the background, which is something new for the update. But I hope these guys are not giving out an update lagging the phone down, slowing down, trying to slow down the phone like the other updates do for other mobile phones. You know what I mean? But I hope it's not the case with Android and Google updates. But I hopefully think that there should be a bug fixer update regarding this, maybe in a couple of weeks or so. But as far as for now, only some has changed, nothing major. Couple of lags when switching behind among apps, and when you long press the power button, we got an upgrade out right here, and you got something called Homey. You can have multiple actions out there to make things easier, but a couple of redesigns here and there. uh, guess there is a couple of tricks and tweaks somewhere around too, but not really. I don't able to find anything significant. um, Also, this is a Pixel 3 XL I'm showing on, but there should be an update coming soon for a Pixel 4 and 4 XL overview walkthrough. And this is the Easter egg for Android 11. There you go. So yeah, that'll be all for the day, I guess, and hope you guys see the next video, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next.